bin Saeed from Algiers.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
So, in school and during lessons, some of my colleagues or teachers may mock Islam and laugh about it. And I hate that, but I cannot go out during lessons because that will get me into trouble. Like I will be marked absent and so on. So am I a kafir from staying in class while I mock Islam even though I don't like it?
Which country are you in?
Algeria.
Algeria is a Muslim country. Ya akhi, stand up for your religion and go and speak to the principal and tell him they're mocking Islam in class. Nobody is going to put you in trouble. Why do we have to put our tail between our legs all the time? Stand up for your religion and defend your religion with strength, firmness, and diplomacy. Nobody said you have to be violent or to be disrespectful, but if you don't respect me, I'll not respect you. Take this as a rule of thumb. You do not deserve to be respected when you disrespect others. So stand up for your religion, go to the principal, take one or two of the boys who will testify with you, and let them take reprimand measures against that teacher and those associated with him. Sabreen from the Emirates.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu
Sheikh, I'm a revert and I saw one video on YouTube about Sheikh in Egypt talking about an interview with the Jinn. I did not finish the whole video. Is it permissible for us to watch it fully?
Interview with what?
There was a Sheikh in Egypt and then he said that he interviewed a Jinn.
A Jinn?
Back 20 years ago, yes.
And is the jinni speaking and this is a live interview?
Yes, they said that the Jinn went to the human body. He did not show his actual form. I did not finish the video because I don't feel like watching it.
No, you don't have to watch it. It's a merely waste of time. And you've done well by not watching it. The concept of jinn possessing humans, this is a well-known fact. We believe this as Muslims because this is mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Al-Baqarah chapter 2. It is mentioned in the Sunnah. It is mentioned by the Salaf. We have no problem in that. But to exaggerate it and inflate it to this extent, we have an interview with the jinn, and so what's your name? He said, my name is Jinni so-and-so. So how long you've been in the body of this boy? Said, I've been there for 3 years, but we have company. We have Mr. Max and Mr. So-and-so. What is this? No, this is totally bogus. This is not real. It's all fiction and made up. But we believe in the concept itself. Watching it is a waste of time, and it does not benefit you, and it doesn't get you closer to Allah Azza wa Jal. Afzan from India.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu.
Can I ask two questions?
Nope.
Okay. So, a person was playing a video game in which he is very good at, and he says, this is not Qismat, this is my skill. Is he a kafir? The intention was not to reject the qadar.
This is not skill.
This is not Qismat, it is my skill.
No, it's not to say that he doesn't believe in the qadar, but this is arrogance of him. And he is compiling sin to ascend to a level of rejecting Allah's blessing him to be good. What would he do if he gets blind? Show us your skill now. Where is it? What would happen if his fingers are a little bit paralyzed or having an infection that he cannot play? Where is your skill now? So this is immature, but I don't think that he's rejecting qadar. Because if you explain it to him and you say that this is from Allah, Allah is blessing you, he says, no, this is not from Allah. It's from my own hard work. This is kufr. And Allah knows best. Umar from Germany.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question is about the hadith where the Sahaba never bent or moved until the Prophet ﷺ raised or placed his head. So they fell in prostration after the Prophet ﷺ. So we see many brothers in the mosque who leave the pillar before the Imam or move while the Imam is moving or even reach the next pillar before the Imam. So is the prayer valid of this people? Jazakallah khairan.
Wa jazak. Now, the hadith you've mentioned is authentic. The companions say that we would not bend our backs until the Prophet's forehead touched the ground. This is when we fall to prostration. Nowadays, people, the moment the Imam goes a little bit forward, they jump to prostrate. Why? To show people that we're so keen on worshipping Allah Azza wa Jal. And this is one of the ways of shaitans infiltrating your head. People see others when the Imam sits after rising from sujood. People are still in the sujood position. We are halfway in tashahhud and the guy is still in sujood. What are you doing? After some time you just move him, say, "Akhi, maybe you're asleep or something." And after salat, said, "No, I wasn't asleep, I was making dua." Ya akhi, what you're doing is haram. You have to follow the Imam. The Prophet ordered you this when he said, فَإِذَا رَكَعَ فَارْكَعُوا. If he were to make ruku', you then make ruku'. So you must not delay so much. And at the same time, you must not rush ahead of your Imam intentionally. So if the Imam goes for sujood, says, Allahu, and he goes to sujood and you're already in sujood before of him, intentionally, your prayer is invalid. You're sinful and you are invalidating your prayer. Why? Because the Prophet said, إِنَّمَا جُعِلَ الْإِمَامُ لِيُؤْتَمَّ بِهِ. Imam was made to be followed, not to be raised. So if you delay too much, you are sinful. And if you delay to the extent that he moves to the following pillar while you're still in that previous pillar, then your prayer, this rak'ah is invalid. Number two, when he moves, you move afterwards. That's the sunnah. Number three, when he moves identically to him. This is makruh, as in the case with those people who, out of ignorance, the moment the Imam says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, you say them giving salam with the Imam. So if the Imam doesn't say the second salam, they're just going to be stuck there. Okay, what are we waiting for? This is not right. You should give your salam after the Imam finishes salam onto the left. Then you start. The fourth category is those who race and are ahead of the Imam. Doing it intentionally invalidates their prayer.